Today's class, we still want to continue electric charges. Go and watch all my videos I've made so that this topic will be very easy for you to do in the exam. Look at this question. Term 2003 question 38. It says, a positively charged rod X is brought near an uncharged metal sphere Y and is then touched by a finger with X still in place. When the finger is removed, the result is that Y has a negative charge and a positive potential. B, a charge, no charge, and zero potential. C, a negative charge and a negative potential. D, a positive charge and a zero potential. How do we solve this problem? Actually, electric charges charges can be transferred in three ways. Number one, by friction. Number two, by contact. Number three, by induction. So this problem on the board is talking about charging by induction. So let's see, a positively charged rod X is brought near an uncharged metal sphere Y and is then touched by a finger. Touching by a finger means you are hurting. Look at this word. When a finger is used, it means hurting. Hurting. That's the terminology when a finger is used. Hurting. So immediately, this positively charged rod X is brought near Y. Y will experience the opposite charge. This is positive charge. Immediately, a positive charge is brought near an uncharged metal sphere Y. Y will become negative charge. And what will happen to the potential? The potential will have a negative charge. So let's look at the option. A positive charge and a zero potential. No. A negative charge and a negative potential. Yes. So no charge and zero potential is wrong. A negative charge and a positive potential is wrong. So the best answer we have chosen is a negative charge and a negative potential. We have explained this information. This is a very vital information for our students preparing for JAMB. Let's share it to them, and they'll be very glad you did. Don't forget, Dreams Tutorial Center is the best class to be in this WAEC and JAMB classes. 4. Mega OLABOSHINDE CRESCENT, GBERIGBE Road, IKORODU, Lagos. Don't forget the number is displayed on the screen. You can WhatsApp us or message us. The number is displayed on the screen. See you in my next video. Don't forget to share and like. Bye for now. Bye.